Local news for Tuesday the 20th of August. July was another busy month for real estate agents. 27 properties sold in Carterton, 22 in South Wairarapa and 66 in Masterton. Emergency services were called just before 2:30 yesterday after a car crashed into the side of a business in Carterton. And a small earthquake was felt just before 7:30 last night, centred just north of Eketahuna. It was a 4.3 on the Richter scale. Greytown residents are pushing for the reinstatement of a local constable based in the town, and now Martinborough are doing the same. A Greytown petition was signed by hundreds of residents, with a similar result expected for Martinborough. Greytown and Featherston residents are being asked to conserve water tomorrow. Powerco are turning off power to the water treatment plant while they undertake maintenance on power lines. And in sport, the Wairarapa United women have finished the season with a win and an overall second placing on goal difference. The men suffered a loss but will retain their place in the Central League.